This is the man of the house. If I can get him to sit down, he's got some big old titties. There we are, look at these. My fucking cat's got a cleavage. Yeah. Alright. Fuck you then. Sorry for my absence, but I've been pretty busy. Obviously, now we've got a bit of COVID-19 going about, so everyone's stuck in their houses. But 3 weeks before this happened, we moved in to a new house. Not a new house, an old house. A new house for me. It's an old house, 1930s, pretty fucking old. So that's the luckiest thing that happened, because then we've been off work and stuff, being furloughed, and we can crack on with stuff. I'll show you the garage in a sec, because I've got a fucking garage. That's where the picture is on Instagram if you saw it with my car poking out. Yeah, that's my fucking garage. Before we go through to the garage, I was watching CBeebies the other day and they had this mind reading technique, so I want to try it out on you. So all you gotta do is answer these out loud. Not fucking shout them. People may think you're a bit... But just answer them. Answer them. So, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3. Name a vegetable. Carrot. If I got it right, subscribe. If I didn't get it right, subscribe. If I got it right, stick in the bottom. Fucking Stu's a genius. Mind reader. Mind bender. Probably a fucking bender like, but jukes. But anyway, let's crack on to the main event. Keys already in doughy. Let that light adjust. Let that focus adjust. Got a boiler. That's a fucking boiler. And there's some radiator pipes that are going into the back bit, but we'll show you that later anyway. But this is now full of shit, but is my garage. And the video doesn't do it justice, it looks really smoked. This is so nice, natural light. You can see how white and pasty I am. Don't want to keep looking at that screen. But I'm not doing anything with this. I've got loads to do with the fucking house before we even start that. Hopefully, it should be done in a couple of months with all this shit going on. But I'm going to get this all boarded out, all plaster boarded. And it's not just this bit. It's not just this bit here. Here you are. Come in. Come in. Come on. Look at this. Got a little walkway here. And then we've got a fucking office on the back of my garage. It's pretty wide. It's pretty big. So this is all getting ripped out. And then I'm going to put a tiny office right in the back corner where I can, this light's in his shit, where I can edit all my videos and shit, so I can work on a car, edit the videos straight away. I'm not having to go somewhere, work, come back. So hopefully my production time is like slashed in a quarter or half. But moving house, you find a lot of stuff, and the one thing that I used to buy a lot of is fucking Jordans. I have Jordans coming out my ass. Jordans coming out my ass. What else have I got in there? I've got another pair in there. I don't have another pair in there. Fucking Jordans. Mostly 5s, stuff like that. But I've got over 40 pairs that I knew I had, but I haven't seen in about 2 or 3 years because I stuck them in the attic and then forgot about them. And there they all are. They're all behind boxes and stuff. But here we are. We got some rare ones in here. No, let's open this bag. Yeah, I haven't been in this bag for a while. Let's see what we've got in here. Let's see what we got. Let's have a dig round here. Let's see what I've got. But I'm going to be selling all these because obviously I've got a fucking EG to pay for now. So let's see what we've got here. This feels promising. So if you're size 9 or 10s, then hit me up. Most of them I'm just going to sell for retail because I'm not a fucking hype beast. I've had them. Oh, look at these. Oh, look at them. These are my favourite Jordan 4s. Toro red, if I remember. I've followed off fucking trainers and stuff, but boom. Look at them, first pick. Here we go. This is promising. What are these? Oh. If you're watching the Jordan Netflix right now, then you'll see these. Oh, these aren't these. I thought these were the He's Got Game, but I do have the He's Got Game. So these are the 3Ms. Look at them, brand new. Like Fat Joe on MTV Cribs, where he's like, that's how you know they're brand new.
You see, never won Olympics here, Barcelona.
Just I have a lot of 5s. If you know out about Jordans, I don't even know. This is a car channel, but if you know out about Jordans, I've got a lot of 13s that are these, that are like the elephant foot. That are supposed to be like the 6 rings, people say. Don't know how true that is. But these are the comfiest Jordans you can ever get. These are so nice. And I've got a few pairs of these. Some pairs I wear all the time, like them that are a bit dirty and a bit mucky. And then the other ones are the 5s. I love Jordan 5s. Look at this. I'm even wearing a pair now. Look at that. That's how I treat them. Like, these are ruined. I was wearing these for work at one point, so. Look at these, the Aqua 8s. Are they 8s? I think they're 8s. I can't remember, like I said. Reminiscing now. Oh, suede. A little bit of, do you know what I like about these? I think these are 8s. I think they're 8s. They have like a nice fluffy tongue there. Like weird flannel-esque tongue. But yeah. Oh, I like these. I like these. Open up the pic. Oh, look at these. Another set of Jordan 13s, brand spanking new, never been out. I didn't really like them when I got them because they've got some weird-esque whatever it is. Typical Jordans, never worn, and the little 23 on the back's gone cloudy. So I don't know if you can see on these, they've gone cloudy. So yellow soles and cloudy 23s on the back of the 13s, what they suffer from, but these are brand new. These are brand new. They're brand fire new. Never been worn. Look at that. Fat Joan. Oh yes.
You never rock the same pair twice.
Yeah. So obviously, like I said, I've got to pull this out and then plasterboard. So I'm going to plasterboard level with all this, rip all electrics out, put all new brand new electrics in, all new lighting, insulate the roof, insulate the sides. May put some little cubby holes up in the roof because they are pretty convenient, them, especially for storing bits like wood where you've been doing a bit of building. The last thing I'm doing with this garage is keeping it full of shit. It is getting, as soon as the rooms are done in the house, all this shit is getting taken into the fucking house. Because we had a nightmare moving in, a fucking nightmare. Just trying to get in. They were still in when we were coming, so we just had to throw everything in garage. So we never got settled for the first 2 or 3 weeks, and we're still not settled. Most of our shit is still in here. Like a majority of our stuff is still in here. Like I'm gonna put a little shed sort of thing on the back of the garage. I'm gonna put all my parts in because I don't want the parts in the garage. I want a separate space with it in, and then put a shed next to it for all the gardening shit. Because now I have fucking loads of gardening shit that's just taking up room. Gardening shit is so fucking annoying, especially when you've been ripping tree stumps and shit like that out. So I need a little shed for that. And then up on this roof, because they're like fucking 12-inch beams or whatever they are, we're gonna put a decking on top, and that's gonna be old seating area, so we're not wasting garden. And then I can put more bits in and use more for my car, really. More for my car. Garage is a shithole. Got Easter eggs there. Fucking Easter eggs. Still got some Easter eggs. Went to Tesco, bought some Easter eggs. Paid like 75p for fucking Lindt Easter eggs. I bought loads. Lindt is the nicest chocolate ever. The benefits of being at home and literally my garage being next door is I get to raid the fridge all the time. I don't have to go to shop, don't have to buy shit, don't have to spend money. I can just eat what's in the fucking house. Just eat what's in the house. But yeah.